Hello, in this video I am going to teach you how to install a VPN extension for your Chrome browser. First step is to search for VPN download and click on this link. This is the VPN we are going to install. As you can see, for me it says remove from Chrome because I already installed it, but there should be a button that says add to Chrome, so click on that. It is very simple. Now we click on the extensions icon and find the VPN that we downloaded and click on it. It will pop a window like this where you can select the country you want to activate the VPN on and find any country you want here. For me, I will select the UK for this video. You can also see the IP address given to you. Now, all you have left to do is turn on the VPN. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a subscribe.